All right guys, so this is a pretty good log. Is massive, maybe 20 feet long. That's got to be over 500 pounds, really heavy, maybe 600-700, I'm not sure, but there's no way I could seesaw it all the way to where I want it to be. So we're going to use the wagon that I have. See if this works. This is the setup. So I'm pushing that down with my hand. I'm using that to steer it. We got it braced left and right, front and back. And as I tilt the front, that goes up. But we are moving it. A lot of effort, but you guys will see what it's for. She did her job. We got the log. All we're gonna use it for is there's a creek right here, guys. And that creek is about 5 or 6 feet down. So from this side, we're gonna drop the log over, and after a second log, we're gonna create a bridge. So that's the plan there. We're gonna smooth that out. We're gonna have something there to prevent rot. There'll be another log across, and we'll create steps. That, my friends, will be a bridge to cross this creek. That's what she's looking at right now. So one of the first things we're gonna do, we're gonna get something right below both ends, and that is just to help prevent rot. Don't worry about that bend. We're gonna straighten everything out. Right. So basically, we got rebar, and I'm gonna hammer that in just because I don't want this to slide that way. I don't think it'll wiggle left and right, but there is a chance if it rains, it'll creep that way, but the rebar will hold it in place. And we'll do the same on that side. We got the rebar here, rebar there, rebar there, there, and that is gonna hold. We're also gonna put a brace right in the middle so it holds that up. What we did right now, we added a center bridge there. That'll hold the weight right at the midway point. Go. Super sturdy. Got a center brace that runs diagonal just to hold the weight on the biggest dip. And I'll probably create a ramp in case I do want to ride the bike up here, but guys, this is super sturdy. No problems, no wobbles. And that to me looks great. We are gonna add the arm braces. That'll come soon. I'll probably add a couple more rebar to hold the cement in place. And then I'll probably clear out the creek so the water can run free. But this is just the beginning steps, guys.